Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has clarified his remarks where he talked about wealth being redistributed to those with more children. A massive storm blew out in Rajasthan when the Prime Minister said that Congress wants to take away the gold and property of people and distribute it among those having more children. Now, the remarks had become the focal point for a political slugfest, where the opposition leaders criticized the Prime Minister for allegedly drawing a parallel between infiltrators and minorities and those who have more kids, that is. Now, in his earlier speech from April 22nd, the Prime Minister could clearly be heard saying that Congress believe that Muslims have the first right over resources and they will give all your wealth to infiltrators and those with more children. Listen in.
और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे। घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? आपको मंजूर है ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है कि वो माताओं बहनों का सोने का हिसाब करेंगे, उसकी जड़ती करेंगे, जानकारी लेंगे और फिर उस संपत्ति को बांट देंगे और उनको बांटेंगे जिनको मनमोहन सिंह जी की सरकार ने कहा था कि संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। भाइयों बहनों, ये अर्बन नक्सल की सोच मेरी माताओं बहनों, ये आपका मंगलसूत्र भी बचने नहीं देंगे, यहां तक जाएंगे, मैं कहने आया हूं।
However, now in an interview with News 18, the Prime Minister cleared the air and said that he'd never mentioned Muslims and it has been unjustly inferred as that. He further said that he was referring to poor families with more children. In fact, Prime Minister further averred that he doesn't believe in the religion divide and the day he enters that domain, he will leave public life. Let me take that point across to my colleague Nikhil. Nikhil, clearly with the fact that the Prime Minister has now clarified the same in the interview we understand he's given to a media organization, but clearly when this comment had come through, it created for a political slugfest. But now with this clarification, what would be the implications politically?
Well, as far as the political implications are concerned, the leaders of the Congress party, especially the communication in charge of the Congress party, Jairam Ramesh, he has been very vocal about the allegation when it comes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in fact, almost all the leaders of the India Alliance, they have been alleging for very long that Prime Minister is the one who usually believes in the divide among the people. And for the first time, very first time, there is a strong reaction which has come out from Prime Minister himself while speaking to one of the media network. He has clarified that he do not believe in the divide between Hindu and Muslims, and he not even for once referred to Muslims, and he was in fact some way or the other clarifying on the remarks which were made by him in last few political speeches. But if you go by the detail, if you go by the factual details, he did mention about the Muslims at some of these speeches. In fact, he made some of the serious allegations saying that if the Congress party or the India Alliance comes to power, then majority of your things, be it the Mangal Sutra or your gold, they will be taken away from you and will be given to the Muslims in particular. He has already mentioned this on record, but the clarification has come from his side for the very first time. In fact, he has also clarified about the details related to the many of the children as well, which were made a few months back. He has said that he did not mention Muslims in particular. He was mentioning it as a general remark. And there are many of the people from the Hindu side as well, irrespective of the caste and creed. There are many of the people, especially those who are marginalized. They also usually give birth to couple of children, which usually is not good as far as the economy is concerned for the country. So this is the first reaction official which has come out from so far. We need to see how exactly the other political opponents, particularly the Congress party against whom the allegations are made, is going to react on the first statement made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Nivedna.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for helping us better understand, politically speaking, what has happened so far, and with the fact that this is the first clarification that has come through from the Prime Minister.